If you want to elevate your hot chocolate, your coffee, your milk frother is going to be your key. You can also use it to make frappes, and I use the Subminimal milk frother. It has batteries. There's also a chargeable one, but it helps elevate my hot chocolate to go along with my wonderful breakfast, hash browns and eggs that I used with my hex clad pot. I've already gone ahead and heated up my milk, and then I'm going to add some hot chocolate. I like the Target brand, but everybody is different. And then I don't use the milk frother until I'm almost done. I also like putting in a little bit of vanilla into my hot chocolate because it helps elevate it. Without vanilla extract can make it a little more watery. I don't like that. And then I just stir my hot chocolate with a spoon. I will heat this up for another 30 seconds and then we will use the milk frother. I've got my hot chocolate heated up, ready to go. I've taken the cap off of the milk frother. The nice thing is the cap helps keep the wand from breaking when I have it tossed in the drawer with all my other utensils. And then it took me quite a while to get used to the button because I actually upgraded from a different model that you actually had to hold the button down. This one, you just press the button, press it off. So if you take it off or out of the milk, it's going to spray everywhere. So be aware that you need to turn it off while it's still relatively close to your drink. So I turn it on. The other thing is there's a mesh filter, and that's what helps give it its super fine frothiness. And it also pops off so you can clean it. I like to do mine next to the sink so I can directly put it over and then wash it right away. So turn it on, you slowly lower it in. See how I splattered? I didn't do it perfectly, but you're supposed to hold it upright. Get that circular motion for a couple seconds and then you move it to the side. I like to angle mine just because then I get a little bit more froth, but you're not supposed to angle it and you're supposed to lower it further so that you don't get as much. But it's whatever works best for you. I just like that it turns my hot chocolate into a little bit creamier of a hot chocolate, given that it introduces air through the frother, and then it also helps so that I don't have any clumps or anything that is sipping one big spoonful of hot chocolate. And then the other thing is I'll turn it off, take it out, and then I will rinse it directly. Now, you're supposed to take the cap off. For this video I won't. And then you can actually circle it around if you wanted. Turn off the water, and then I'll put it on our drying rack. I usually just let it dry manually, but I have a perfectly well mixed hot chocolate that I'm going to go enjoy with my breakfast. And I hope you consider buying one because it has been amazing, and I never would have thought a milk frother for coffee, because I don't drink coffee, or frappes, that it would be so useful for a hot chocolate. It would elevate your hot chocolate, your kids, make it fun. Highly recommend. And there's so many different types, and so find the one that works best for you, but this one is the one that I love and recommend.